Embarking on a journey to healthier living? The Mediterranean diet might just be your compass to a tastier, more nutritious lifestyle. Picture this: the sun-kissed landscapes of Greece, Italy, and Spain, where delectable cuisine meets longevity. But before we dive into the flavors, let's set the stage. Ever wondered why those along the Mediterranean Sea seem to have unlocked the secret to vibrant well-being? What if you could savor delicious meals while nurturing your health? Join us as we unravel the tantalizing world of the Mediterranean diet, your gateway to a culinary adventure that nourishes both body and soul. Ready for the first bite? Let's go. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products in the description and in the top pinned comments that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Here are the core principles of the Mediterranean diet. Welcome to the heart of the Mediterranean diet, where every bite is a celebration of wholesome goodness. Imagine a plate adorned with a vibrant array of colors, nature's palette inviting you to indulge. At its core, this diet champions plant-based treasures, succulent fruits, crisp vegetables, and the warmth of whole grains. But what truly sets it apart is the golden elixir, olive oil. It's not just a condiment, it's the liquid gold that transforms your culinary experience. Now, let's talk fats, but fear not, we're diving into the good kind. The Mediterranean diet sings praises to monounsaturated fats found in abundance in olive oil. These healthy fats dance through your veins, promoting heart health and adding a touch of velvety richness to your dishes. As we navigate the seas of nutrition, let's not forget the protein orchestra. Fish and seafood take center stage, offering omega-3 fatty acids that serenade your cardiovascular system. Poultry joins the ensemble, completing the melody of lean protein sources. But here's the intriguing twist: red meat plays a supporting role, not the lead. We're keeping it minimal, allowing the spotlight to shine on the culinary wonders of the Mediterranean. So, why the fuss about this diet? Beyond the delectable flavors, it's a nutritional symphony with health benefits as its crescendo. From nurturing heart health to supporting weight management, the Mediterranean diet isn't just about what's on your plate, it's a holistic embrace of well-being. Are you ready to savor the richness of life, one delicious bite at a time? Join us as we unravel the secrets of the Mediterranean diet, where every meal is a celebration of health and flavor. Nutritional benefits. Now that we've embarked on the Mediterranean culinary odyssey, let's uncover the nutritional treasures that await you on this delectable journey. Picture your heart as the captain of your well-being, navigating the seas of life. The Mediterranean diet emerges as your steadfast first mate, steering towards cardiovascular health with every bite. The heart-healthy benefits are not mere whispers, they're resounding echoes in the longevity of those who call the Mediterranean home. Research shows a correlation between this diet and a reduced risk of heart disease. How? The monounsaturated fats from olive oil act as protective shields, lowering bad cholesterol levels and promoting a heart-friendly rhythm. Weight management becomes a breeze with the Mediterranean diet as your compass. Packed with nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods, it's not just about shedding pounds but fostering a sustainable, balanced lifestyle. The abundance of fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains keeps you satisfied, curbing those between-meal cravings. But the Mediterranean diet isn't a one-hit wonder, it orchestrates a symphony of health benefits. Diabetes prevention and management join the ensemble, with studies showcasing its positive impact on insulin sensitivity. The anti-inflammatory properties of this diet further contribute to the harmonious balance within your body, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. As we navigate these nutritional waters, remember that the Mediterranean diet is more than a list of do's and don'ts, it's a holistic approach to well-being. So, as you savor the flavors of this Mediterranean feast, envision your body rejoicing in the nutrients that fuel not just your physical health but also your overall vitality. Join us in the next course of our exploration, where we'll delve into the practical tips for seamlessly incorporating the Mediterranean diet into your daily life. From meal planning to crafting delectable dishes, we're here to guide you on this flavorful adventure towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Bon appétit! Practical tips for adopting the Mediterranean diet. Now that the aroma of olive oil and the zest of Mediterranean flavors have tantalized your taste buds, let's delve into the practical aspects of embracing this enriching diet in your daily life. Think of meal planning as charting your course for a culinary voyage. Begin by incorporating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, making them the stars of your plate. Explore the bountiful world of whole grains, where each kernel is a nutrient-packed gem. As you navigate the grocery aisles, consider olive oil your trusty companion. Opt for extra virgin olive oil, the purest form that encapsulates the essence of the Mediterranean sun. Let it become the brushstroke that paints your dishes with both health and flavor. Crafting balanced and flavorful meals is an art, and the Mediterranean diet provides a palette of ingredients. Experiment with herbs and spices, letting them dance across your palate. Seafood, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, can take center stage in your protein ensemble. Poultry complements the performance, ensuring a melody of lean protein. Meal preparation becomes an act of love for your well-being. Embrace the simplicity of Mediterranean recipes that celebrate the natural taste of ingredients. Make it a family affair, involving loved ones in the joy of cooking and sharing meals together. Remember, adopting the Mediterranean diet is not about strict rules but a flexible and enjoyable lifestyle. It's about savoring the moment, appreciating the artistry of your plate, and relishing the nourishment that each meal brings. Join us in the next leg of our journey, where we'll explore the Mediterranean diet's connection with lifestyle choices. From the importance of physical activity to the social aspects of dining, we'll uncover how this diet extends beyond the kitchen, enriching your life in more ways than one. Mediterranean diet and lifestyle. Beyond the confines of the kitchen, the Mediterranean diet extends its influence into lifestyle choices, creating a holistic approach to well-being. Imagine the lifestyle of those basking in the Mediterranean sun, a seamless blend of nutrition, physical activity, and social connection. Physical activity becomes a dance with vitality, an integral part of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Whether it's a leisurely stroll along the coastline or a spirited game of bocce ball, movement is woven into the fabric of daily life. Embrace activities that bring joy, as they contribute not only to physical health but also to mental well-being. The social aspect of dining is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean way of life. Meals are not just about nourishment but also about connection. Gather with loved ones, share laughter, and relish the pleasure of communal dining. The Mediterranean diet encourages a slower, more mindful approach to eating, savoring each bite, engaging in conversation, and appreciating the moment. As we explore the lifestyle tapestry, stress the importance of moderation. In the Mediterranean, it's not about excess but about balance. Indulge in the richness of flavors but in controlled portions. The Mediterranean lifestyle values the enjoyment of food without the guilt, promoting a positive relationship with eating. Cultivate a connection with nature, mirroring the Mediterranean reverence for the environment. Fresh, local, and seasonal ingredients not only enhance the flavors of your meals but also support sustainability. Consider growing your herbs or visiting local markets to embrace the authenticity of Mediterranean living. Here are some sample recipes to make. 1. Mediterranean chickpea salad. Elevate your taste buds with a refreshing Mediterranean chickpea salad. In a large bowl, combine chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and feta cheese. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. Add chopped fresh basil and oregano for a burst of Mediterranean flavors. Toss gently to coat the ingredients evenly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. The combination of protein-rich chickpeas, crisp vegetables, and zesty herbs creates a satisfying and nutritious salad that embodies the essence of the Mediterranean diet. Serve chilled, and enjoy the vibrant medley of colors and tastes. 2. Mediterranean grilled eggplant with yogurt sauce. Delight your palate with the smoky goodness of Mediterranean grilled eggplant. Slice eggplants into rounds and brush with olive oil, minced garlic, and a pinch of dried oregano. Grill until tender and charred. Meanwhile, prepare a yogurt sauce by combining Greek yogurt, lemon zest, chopped mint, and a dash of olive oil. Once the eggplants are grilled to perfection, drizzle them with the yogurt sauce. The creamy yogurt complements the smokiness of the eggplant, creating a harmonious blend of textures and flavors. This dish not only satisfies your taste buds but also embodies the wholesome essence of the Mediterranean culinary tradition. Serve as a side or a light, flavorful appetizer. In the next part of our journey, we'll address common misconceptions surrounding the Mediterranean diet. From debunking myths to clarifying misconceptions, we'll ensure you navigate this culinary adventure with confidence. So, let the spirit of the Mediterranean lifestyle infuse your days. a harmonious blend of nutrition, movement, and connection, enriching your life in ways beyond the dinner table. Addressing common misconceptions. As we navigate the seas of nutrition, let's confront the myths and misconceptions that might cast a shadow over the brilliance of the Mediterranean diet. It's time to set the record straight and ensure you embark on this culinary journey with clarity. Misconception 1. The Mediterranean diet is only about olive oil. Reality. While olive oil is a key player, the Mediterranean diet is a symphony of diverse flavors. It emphasizes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Olive oil is a star, but it shares the spotlight with an array of other delicious ingredients. Misconception 2. It's a restrictive diet. Reality. Unlike some trendy diets, the Mediterranean diet is not about deprivation. It's a flexible and sustainable approach to eating that encourages enjoyment and variety. You won't find an exhaustive list of forbidden foods. Instead, it promotes balance and moderation, making it adaptable to different tastes and preferences. Misconception 3. Red wine is a must. Reality. While moderate consumption of red wine is often associated with the Mediterranean diet, it's not obligatory. If you don't drink alcohol or prefer other beverages, you can still embrace the essence of the diet by focusing on the rich tapestry of foods it offers. Misconception 4. It's only effective for certain health goals. Reality. The Mediterranean diet is versatile and beneficial for various health objectives. Beyond heart health and weight management, studies suggest its positive impact on diabetes prevention, cognitive function, and overall well-being. It's a comprehensive lifestyle that nurtures your body and mind. By dispelling these misconceptions, you can approach the Mediterranean diet with confidence, knowing that it's a holistic and inclusive lifestyle. Join us in the next segment, where we'll explore success stories and testimonials, bringing the real-life experiences of individuals who have embraced this flavorful and nourishing way of eating. Get ready for inspiration and first-hand accounts of the transformative power of the Mediterranean diet. Success stories and testimonials. Embark on a journey through the inspiring narratives of individuals whose lives have been transformed by the Mediterranean diet. Meet Sarah, a vibrant soul who decided to embrace the Mediterranean way of life to enhance her overall well-being. She is a subscriber of this channel. Sarah, a working professional with a hectic schedule, was initially skeptical about adopting a new diet. However, intrigued by the promises of the Mediterranean lifestyle, she decided to give it a try. Gradually incorporating the principles of the diet into her daily routine, Sarah found herself reveling in a newfound energy and vitality. One of the notable changes in Sarah's journey was her improved heart health. Regularly indulging in the goodness of olive oil and savoring nutrient-dense meals, she witnessed a significant drop in her cholesterol levels. Sarah's success story highlights the cardiovascular benefits that many individuals experience when they align their eating habits with the Mediterranean diet. Weight management also became a positive side effect for Sarah. The focus on whole, unprocessed foods and the naturally satisfying nature of the diet helped her maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. Sarah discovered that the Mediterranean diet wasn't just about what she ate but how it made her feel, full of life and vitality. Beyond the physical transformations, Sarah found joy in the social aspects of the diet. Gathering with friends and family to enjoy Mediterranean-inspired meals became a cherished ritual. The communal nature of dining and the mindfulness cultivated around food brought a sense of balance and fulfillment to Sarah's life. Sarah's success exemplifies the transformative power of the Mediterranean diet, showcasing that it's not merely a set of guidelines but a holistic lifestyle that can positively impact various facets of well-being. Join us in the final stretch of our exploration, where we'll address potential challenges and provide practical solutions for seamlessly integrating the Mediterranean diet into your own life. Here are some potential challenges and solutions. As you embark on the Mediterranean diet journey, it's essential to anticipate and address potential challenges that might arise. Let's navigate through common obstacles and provide practical solutions to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Challenge 1. Limited availability of Mediterranean ingredients solution. While Mediterranean ingredients might not be readily available everywhere, adaptability is key. Opt for local, fresh produce, and explore online or specialty stores for Mediterranean staples like olive oil, whole grains, and herbs. Embrace the essence of the diet with the resources at your disposal. Challenge 2. Cultural or lifestyle differences solution. The Mediterranean diet is a flexible framework, allowing room for cultural and lifestyle adaptations. Incorporate local flavors and preferences while maintaining the core principles. It's about embracing the spirit of the diet, not adhering rigidly to specific dishes. Challenge 3. Time constraints solution. In a fast-paced world, time can be a challenge. Plan and prep meals ahead, focusing on simplicity and efficiency. Batch cooking and utilizing time-saving kitchen tools can make it easier to stick to the Mediterranean diet, even on busy days. Challenge 4. Resistance to change solution. Transitioning to a new eating pattern can be met with resistance. Start gradually, introducing Mediterranean elements to familiar dishes. Engage family or friends in the process, making it a shared adventure. Celebrate small victories, and let the positive changes unfold organically. By acknowledging these challenges and implementing practical solutions, you pave the way for a successful and sustainable experience with the Mediterranean diet. Join us in the concluding segment, where we'll recap key principles and offer encouragement for embracing this enriching lifestyle. Your journey toward a healthier, more flavorful life is on the horizon. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet is not just a culinary choice but a transformative lifestyle. From the heart-healthy symphony of flavors to the joy of communal dining, it weaves a tapestry of well-being. Embrace this journey with openness, savoring the richness of life one Mediterranean-inspired meal at a time. As you embark on this voyage, remember, it's about nourishing your body, connecting with others, and celebrating the artistry of food. So, let the spirit of the Mediterranean lifestyle infuse your days with vitality. Ready to savor the abundance of health and flavor? Start your delicious adventure today.